So during the kindergarten roundup, we'll share a lot of information with parents about kindergarten programming, along with some things that they can do at home to best prepare kids for those first days of school. It's that first step in building relationships between the school and home. It really allows parents to visually see what we'll be doing in the building. We have sample materials for them to see what the achievement expectation will be for their children each quarter throughout the school year. So it really gives them an understanding ahead of time of what the curriculum and school year will look like for their children. It also allows them to build that relationship in advance with their child's teacher, the office staff, and the administrative team.
Facilities as a whole are just great resources for learning. But then on top of that, and most importantly, we have outstanding staff, whether they be support staff or teachers. They're highly motivated, and I think that they combine for the kind of skills that we need to make sure that learning is a priority. The first part of Roundup is really just a meet and greet. We try to project our enthusiasm about the excitement that is kindergarten.
This is an exciting time for you and your child, and so if you have any questions, you can contact any of our 9 elementary schools. When families come in right now, that is just doing a pre-registration so that we can get our numbers together, make sure that we have enough staff on hand available for the start of the school year. They'll also give families an opportunity to find out what students need to know before coming to kindergarten. They will have an opportunity to bring in the birth certificate, immunization records, so that we can go ahead and make copies of those, look over them to make sure that students don't need any additional immunizations before they arrive on the first day of school. It is a new experience for all. Sometimes it's more scary for the parents than it is for the children. And so the best thing is to know that when they're bringing them in here, we want to make sure that they come in feeling like it's a happy place and a wonderful learning environment for them to learn and grow.